How to use Lyft safety features during your ride. So first of all, let's get into our Lyft, and in here you can now simply schedule and book your ride. So after booking your ride, your driver will come to pick you up, and after they come to pick you up, in your map there will be a safety icon that you will be able to see, which will be I think about the blue color with a safety logo. So if you ever feel like if there are any kind of emergency during the ride, what you can do is simply tap on that option. So after tapping on that option, there will be a lot of things that you can do. So in here, what you can do is obviously your location will be sharing or with your with the Lyft, and if there are any kind of emergency required, there will be the option of SOS. Simply tap on that SOS option, and after doing that, if it's still not helping, then you can also use the option of 24/7 live support, and there will also be a lot of community guidelines, so you can read that, and if something does not feel right, you can call for help, and like that you will be able to use your Lyft safety features during your rides. And that's it.